guess what I'm working on? I'm working on doing instant locks. That's right, you can get instant locks by me. Guess how much they're gonna cost you? They're gonna cost you $500 for me to lock your hair up instantly. I know how to do the service. I can start your locks off either as a braid, a twist, or just a regular long lock. All right, and it's gonna cost roughly the basic rate $500 and up. Okay, depending on how long your hair is. I'm about to lock this mannequin head up. She's already a 2-strand twist, and I'm about to go ahead and make her instantly lock. So watch what I do. I'm gonna start off by doing one section of the head. I'm gonna do this side section here first. See that? Once that end piece right here is locked, once that piece right there is locked, you got locks.